everyone, welcome back to visit my channel again. Today's my neighbors give me some banana. So I and another members of my families are carrying some banana to keep near the cottage. Some of them are red banana. And my cute puppy, they wanna eat some banana, so they are trying. They like to eat banana so much. Yummy, 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 yummy banana. And their mothers likes banana too. She's tell to their children, banana, there are so many advantages for our health. For especially the bananas was planted in organic, not sprayed another and other chemical on it. The banana in Cambodia is organic. See you soon. Bye bye.